International standards are not meant to replace any national standards that exist, but are meant to put on paper those important matters to which we all can agree. They represent the common ground of work around the world. Being competent, objective, and honest in our actions, respecting all people and their needs, collaborating with their striving for positive outcomes, and for people doing no harm to others by adhering to standards of good practice in the area of work. So, there are many issues that arise out of all this opening monologue. Different countries have different traditions, different countries have different cultures. The comparison of culture is a common human practice, and based upon the financial status, work culture, and the business scenario. The various human bad actions always creep into different societies in different degree or intensity, like corruption, like bribery, like not a practice of not adhering to the simplest of common laws. So, international code of practice is a basic provision regarding service and application of knowledge. It provides high quality, cost efficient services in the different areas of work. It provides services based on expectations of needs and community or clients. It allows to apply competently the knowledge of the work or the technology to integrate with the knowledge or the technology with the area in which they are operating. Work in partnership with clients and users of service is a basis behind the International Code of Ethics. The most common ethical issues in international businesses are regarding employment conditions and practices, human rights, environmental regulations, corruption, moral obligations. Since business is about making a better future for all the stakeholders, and only one principle governs the various issues of ethics. That is employment practice. If work conditions in a whole or host country are visibly inferior to that of international home or host nation, then companies should apply the home country standards, choose the superior one. That is the basic of behind international code of ethics. Whenever there is a comparison between two countries, the companies or the humans or the employees are required, are expected to choose the superior ones. So, if a home country has senior superior standards, then choose the superior one. If the host country has superior standards, then you have to comply with the superior standards of the host country. Human rights in developed countries, basic human rights such as freedom of association, freedom of speech, freedom of assembly, are taken for granted. While in developing countries or underdeveloped countries, these things might not exist at all. Pollution norms in different countries are different. Different countries, in order to grow at pace with the international growth rate, they are required to apply or utilize or harness their resources at a different speeds. The variability in the speed of harnessing the resources actually provides different degrees of pollution. So countries can have different norms regarding pollutions. But like we have discussed earlier, the companies which are operating in international environment and are operating not in their host country, then they are required to comply with the norms which are superior. Corruption is another area which needs a lot of discussion. Different countries have different sensitivity towards corruption. But a business organization ideally should have a zero tolerance towards corruption, no matter what type of a country or economy or culture they are in, but they should never be involved in the corruptive practices. Moral obligation of social responsibility refers to the idea that business should always take the long-term social consequences. interests of present economic affairs into account when making business decisions. There must be cautious efforts to go in favor of decisions that have both good economic and good social consequences.